Hello guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to enable light mode in YouTube Music on your iPhone. As you can see right here, I have light mode enabled on YouTube Music. By default, there is no option where you can enable light mode on YouTube Music. But in this video I'm going to show you how you can do that. But have in mind, it is not perfect. So let's do it. Go to your settings. Click on accessibility. You have to scroll all the way down and look for where it says per app settings. Click on it. And here you need to click on add app to add YouTube Music to your app customization. After adding YouTube Music, you click on YouTube Music. Now scroll down and click on Smart Invert. Make sure you turn this on. When you do that, it will invert the color of the app and set it to light mode. As you can see right here, my YouTube Music is in light mode. So that's how you enable light mode on YouTube Music. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.